Here's how to troubleshoot and fix problems with the law of attraction not working. In this video, you are going to overcome internal barriers. With the Emergent Manifesting Framework, you will discover how to get out of your own way and achieve your highest goals. You don't have to let being stuck stop you. You can unlock your potential with the Emergent Manifesting Framework. But first, who am I? Who's this guy telling you this stuff? Well, this is me. I like to travel and I like to discover the unknown and the unfamiliar and research human potential. I'm also an entrepreneur. I am the author of several books, including A Happy Pocket Full of Money, and I was the creative consultant on the movie The Secret. These are a few of my students' testimonials, and this is my LinkedIn profile. Now, let's talk about your opportunity to get on the journey to manifesting without fail. We have a framework, and this is it. We are the only ones that I know of that go all out to be comprehensive enough to address all the elements needed to learn the entire manifesting framework and to include the knowledge that you need to fix and troubleshoot manifesting failures. I'd like you to imagine emergent manifesting as a type of a garden, in the same way that complex structures, patterns, and beautiful blossoms arise from a collection of simpler components such as soil, water, sunlight, and seeds. In a garden, we can also create our desired outcomes through emergent manifesting by understanding our true nature and relationship with the energies of the universe and aligning ourselves with them. Emergence is the property and the process by which complex systems and patterns arise from various relatively simple interactions. It is an important concept in artificial intelligence, computer science, economics, psychology, philosophy, biology, sociology, and many other disciplines. Emergence is a powerful force that gives rise to unexpected and wondrous outcomes. It can lead to creative solutions to seemingly unsolvable problems and inspire us to view our world differently. Emergence has been described as the magic of the universe. It can be a source of immense joy, surprise, and delight. When we factor in emergence in our manifesting, everything falls into place. Emergent manifesting arises from bringing one's entire being, the conscious and, most importantly, the subconscious or the unconscious, and yes, it can be done, bringing all that into alignment with the energy of the universe. This is when a person is said to be connected, embodied, and grounded. As you can see here on this pyramid here represents different ingredients of manifesting capability and personal growth, which go hand in hand. By understanding our true nature, our relationship with ourselves, and our relationship with the energies of the universe, and learning how to use those subtle energies, we can automatically manifest our dreams and desires. It's taken me over 20 years to put all this together into a simple framework, and I would love to take you through it all properly, for free, if you have 20 minutes or so. I am sure you will find it very useful. By now, you can see that manifesting is a growth path, a personal growth path. Manifesting is not a trick or a tactic. It is a life system. It emerges or arises naturally. Everybody is always manifesting because the law of attraction is working 24/7. Manifesting is simply an inbuilt facility of every creature. As long as you've got energy interacting with that of the universe, you are co-creating reality. You are manifesting emergently, automatically, 24/7, whether you know it or not. The only question is, have you developed the knowledge and skill to align yourself such that you manifest deliberately? Do you know how to deliberately cultivate alignment? Alignment occurs when one is connected, meaning they consciously employ the vast amounts of non-physical assistance available to us when we ask. Number two, embodied, meaning they are not internally fragmented, conflicted, blocked, or absent. In other words, they are present. And number 3, grounded, meaning, once again, they are present and they are open and actively engaged with life. The good news is that you are very capable of becoming more and more connected, embodied, and grounded. That is the personal growth journey of mastery. Indeed, as it is said, 3 are the dwellings of man: body, mind, and spirit. When the 3 become one, you can say to the mountain, move, and it will be done. And indeed, it is said, don't learn the tricks of the trade, learn the trade. Don't just learn a trick of the trade like, visualizing or affirmations. Learn the trade itself, and you will be a lot more successful at it, right? Now that you've seen the powerful potential of emergent manifesting, I invite you to watch this free on-demand presentation where I'll dive deeper into the 9-step emergent manifesting framework. When you click the link or button on the screen, you'll get a page that looks like this, where you can learn what emergent manifesting is and how you can use it to journey towards manifesting without fail, the ultimate mastery in the art and science of manifesting. There is a 4-day timer on that page, so if you're interested, I suggest you act before that timer expires. Click the link or button right here on this screen and get started today with this free presentation that will give you an uncommon yet powerful insight into how manifesting really works. See you there. Thank you.